Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi, and today we're going to talk about some budget beauty products that are totally worth checking out. Like, these are products which even I use, and you might have. In fact, I can assure you that each one of these products you have definitely seen me use in the past, in some video, on my Instagram, or somewhere else. So starting with the first product of the day, which is the Partial Advanced Ayurvedic Hot Oil. It's a warming coconut hair oil, and the best thing about this hair oil is that first of all, it's coconut oil. Coconut oil is absolutely wonderful for your hair, for your scalp, and this one is naturally heating. The best way to use this oil is to just take a few drops on your palms, rub your palms just a little bit, and then massage your scalp with it and then apply it through the length of your hair. Because it's a hot coconut oil, it actually absorbs much better into your scalp, into your hair shafts, and it just gives you much better results. I love this hair oil. I discovered about a few months back, guys, and since then this is a hair oil which I actually keep using from time to time. Today I didn't use it, to be very honest, but it's a very good hair oil. So this is a 190 ml bottle which retails for rupees 110, but there's also a smaller variant available if you want to just first try it out and then go for this one. You can do that too, but overall I think this is one of the best variants of coconut oil I have ever seen. Next I have with me, sorry guys, I just keep doing this because I've kept all my stuff here. Okay, so next I have with me something again which you have seen me use in, like, I don't know how many videos. This is the Vayam Ayurveda Khas Moisturizing Face Mist, which contains vetiver and vitamin B5. Do you see how this bottle looks, guys? It's almost emptied. I've lost the cap, and I love this face mist. I think this is one of the best budget face mists I have ever tried. The best thing about face mists, okay, so first things first, face mists are not like toners, okay? They don't tone your skin. It doesn't work like an astringent. Oh, okay. Face mists basically just add a burst of hydration, and it just helps in, locking in the moisture on your skin. Ideally, this should be used after shower every morning. If you want to use it like that, you can use it after face wash at night as well. Or if you want, you can use it throughout the day just to feel refreshed. You can use it on top of your makeup as well, but ideally it's best used on bare skin. Now this is something which retails, like, this product retails for rupees 199, but I think it is available at a discounted price right now. So I'll put the links in the description box below if you want to check it out. This is a very, very good face mist, especially if you have dehydrated skin. It can be used by people with dry skin. It can be used by people with oily skin as well, because it kind of oil balances out your skin, so it just gives you a really nice fresh look whenever you want. Next I have with me something again which you're probably tired of seeing me talk about, but guys, when it comes to dandruff, I think there are very few anti-dandruff shampoos that actually work. Most of it is just marketing gimmick. So, like, I think tea tree shampoos usually work really well. I love those. And then there is Head and Shoulders, which I have been using since my childhood, and now we have so many variants of Head and Shoulders. It is still a very, very good shampoo if you have dandruff problems. So this particular one I love the most, which is the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner with cool menthol. The variant is cool menthol, so it kind of gives you a nice cooling sensation when you apply it to your scalp, and it also has a very nice minty fragrance when you're using it because it contains menthol, right? And it's a shampoo plus conditioner. It's a 2-in-1 product. It will condition your hair a little bit. If you have extremely rough, dry, frizzy hair, you will need to use an additional conditioner after this. Otherwise, this will do the job of both. And this one bottle, this is how much? Wait, let me just... Okay, there's a 180 ml bottle which retails for rupees 175. I think this is also available at discount right now, and it is such a steal, guys. It is such a steal. I love this shampoo. Now let me just turn around once more. Not once more. Let me turn around again and take out the next product. And by the way, guys, this is a brand that I really want to explain and clarify a few things about this brand here while I'm talking about this. So this is a Derm Doc blemish clearing water-based face serum with salicylic acid and milk protein. Now a lot of people have asked me about Derm Doc and how it functions and things like that. So first let me show you the ingredient list. This is the ingredient list if you want to pause the video and check it out. And guys, here's the thing about Derm Doc, okay? It's basically a it's more like a medical brand, not like your beauty brand. It's not jazzy, it's not fancy, it's more like a medical brand, but it is more on the affordable side and it is really good. The only thing is, guys, because they use such potent ingredients, a good idea is to start using them gradually in your skincare routine. For instance, let's talk about the serum, okay? It contains salicylic acid and milk protein, so obviously it's an AHA BHA serum. And the thing with this face serum is that, if you've never used salicylic acid before, if you just start using it directly right away on your skin, it might lead to skin purging. So a good idea is to first, maybe dilute it with a little bit of your current existing serum, or you can just dilute it with a little bit of glycerine. Use it in a more diluted form for the first few days and then gradually start using it as it is. And patch test is always important because the ingredients are extremely potent. But salicylic acid, milk protein, these are very, very good, especially if you have acne problems, if you have a lot of scars, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, clogged pores. This is something which can help you tremendously. Just make sure that whenever you're using this brand, or basically any brand of a similar sort, we have a lot of brands these days designed by dermatologists and things like that. These are good brands usually, but you need to use them very carefully. You can't just start using them like right away like your regular beauty brands. Now this one today is again for rupees 199. Oh god, most of my products are like 199 rupees. That's just under 200. But again, I think this is available at a discount right now, so I'll share the link in the description box below. It's a 10 ml bottle, but it's a serum. It's a lightweight serum, so it will actually last for a pretty long time. Then we have turning around again. Now since we're talking about beauty products that I love and skincare products under rupees 200, sorry, was my hair messed up this whole time? Okay, so since we're talking about skincare and beauty products under rupees 200 and affordable beauty products, guys, this I think is a must-have for everyone. In fact, even if you're not looking for beauty on a budget, still get yourself rose water. Now this one is extremely affordable. This is the Abs Goodness Rose Water, and it's basically rose water, guys. So you can use it for toning your skin, you can just use it to refresh your skin, you can use it in your DIYs. It has so many benefits, and as you can see, once again, I have used up this product almost entirely. I think almost 3/4 of the bottle I have finished off. Rose water is great. So this is like really affordable because you get this one for rupees 68, this one bottle, which is 50 ml. There are more expensive brands also available if you're not looking for a beauty on budget, if you want something more luxurious and more expensive. But I think this is a very nice, simple, practical product and something that is definitely worth trying out. Like even I use it a lot. Then we have, okay guys, now let's be very honest. Next product is a lip balm, and we do have a lot of lip balms in the market today under rupees 150, under rupees 200, right? So this is not the only one out there, but I really like this lip balm, so I thought I'll just give it a quick mention in today's budget beauty haul. Now this is the Purple Childhood Besties lip balm with SPF Vanilla 2. Now let me be very honest, they haven't mentioned the amount of SPF, it can be any number, but the fact that it's still under rupees 200 and it contains SPF is a good start. Most lip balms which actually contain SPF tend to be extremely expensive, and usually when I go out, I'm still wearing lipstick on, these days there's also the face mask, so it's not like the lips are getting directly exposed to sunlight anyway, because it's already under the lipstick. But a little SPF in your lip balm doesn't hurt, right? So this particular one, let me just show you the packaging, because I found the packaging also to be very interesting. It comes in this packaging, and initially when I discovered this product, I was just like trying to pull out the cap, and it was like the bad idea. That's not how it works. You just kind of have to do this, and here you have it, the lip balm. So it's a nice, gentle, smooth lip balm via lip balm. It's not deeply very moisturizing. It's light moisturizing, so you will have to use couple of times a day, but yes, it does moisturize your lips. It does keep your lips soft and supple, so why not? Then we have, okay, now the next product is an aloe vera gel. And guys, let's be very honest, we again have a lot of aloe vera gels in the market these days which are under rupees 200, which are very good. This particular one is again from Vyam Ayurveda, and this costs rupees 175. The reason why I felt that this aloe vera gel still deserves a mention is because it's 99% pure aloe vera gel, and most aloe vera gels, I think like most aloe vera gels that you get in the market under rupees 200, they're not very pure, and some of them even have added colorants, added fragrances, added this, added that. This one is 99% pure aloe vera gel, which is saying a lot. Now I get a lot of questions on my channel saying, Prachi, do you think should I use direct aloe vera gel from the leaves or should I use this packaged one? Let's be honest, guys. Natural aloe vera gel extracted from the leaf is always a better idea, especially when you're using it on your hair. For skin, sometimes I find it to be a little too strong for some people. I personally prefer aloe vera gel from this from a container, from a tube, you know, either ways, because you don't have to extract it. The extraction process can be extremely time consuming, and after extracting it, you know, aloe vera gel kind of gets very slimy when you extract it from the leaves. So even though it's very good, and if you have the patience, by all means use that. Because it gets so slimy, it's a lot of effort. It can actually take a lot of time. You know, you have to grind it in a mixture grinder and things like that. So I just prefer using aloe vera gel from a container, and this was 99% pure, so that kind of works really well. And on that note, I'm going to show you a very quick DIY which I use every once in a while. Just take your aloe vera gel, add a little bit of neem leaves powder. So this one is from Good Vibes, and neem leaf is actually very good if you have skin pigmentation issues, if you have bacterial infections, if you're constantly getting acne. You can just mix both of these ingredients really well. Just make sure you do a patch test before you actually use this mixture, because it's a bit potent. Okay, this formula is a bit potent. Do a patch test. If it works for you, you can just massage it on your face very gently, leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and just wash it off with warm water. You will love this routine, guys. You can actually do this once a week, and it really makes your skin so happy. And talking about the neem leaves, I think even this is under rupees 200, by the way. It retails for rupees 105, so why not? So again, I get a lot of questions that, Prachi, can't I make neem leaf powder at home? Yes, you can. Just take some neem leaves, dry it in the sunlight, or if you have microwave, you can just simply dry it in microwave. I prefer that, because when you leave it out in the sunlight, you know, it just attracts a lot of dust and things like that. So just dry it either in sunlight or preferably better in microwave. Once it's dried, you can just grind it and you get your powder. So that's again a bit of an effort, but that's another way of getting neem leaves if you want to just make it at home. And guys, on that note, we're talking about aloe vera gel, so just want to quickly give a shout out. There's currently an offer going on purple.com where you can get Wow Skin Science products at an offer. There's an offer going on, buy one get one free today. So this is 99% aloe vera gel from Wow Skin Science. It doesn't retail under rupees 200, but if you buy one get one free, your net cost actually comes down to a lot less, because you're paying 50% less for this product. Even this aloe vera gel I really like. Again, I've talked about it for so many times on my channel, so I'm not going to the retails, but it's a really good product. So yes, guys, these were the products I picked up for today's budget beauty haul video. These are some products I really genuinely very much believe in. They are good products and they work well. They have got very good high ratings on e-commerce websites, and a lot of them are available at a discount, so you save some extra money, so why not? So guys, that's what I wanted to share. If you have it, please seriously on this one, if you have any recommendations of your own on budget beauty products, things that you would want me to try out maybe in my next video, please share your recommendations, which products you like and also which products you don't like. I've been getting a lot of requests that, Prachi, you just talk about things you like, what about things you don't like? So in the next video I kind of want to do that also. I'll talk about the products which are not liked by you guys, so I can just mention a few of those. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's what I wanted to share in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superpower Style for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.